The North Sokang PSC was signed in November 2010 by Black Platinum Energy. The Dara East gas field was discovered in 2012 when Black Platinum drilled the Dara 3 discovery well. Dara is located in 100 meters of water, which will help moderate drilling and development costs. The field contains more than 1 TCF of dry, sweet gas within multiple stacked reservoirs. Pay horizons are well defined on 3D seismic, with many of the reservoirs exhibiting a strong amplitude response. The primary producing reservoir in Dara East will be the Upper Pliocene 1A sand, which is well defined by its seismic amplitude. Dara 3 tested this sand and produced 9 million cubic feet of gas per day. Third-party estimates put 520 BCF of recoverable sweet gas in this reservoir. The 1A sand is only 600 meters below sea level, which will also keep development costs down. Averaging 14 meters in thickness, the 1A sand exceeds 30 meters in places and will be highly productive. The Lower Pliocene 6 sand lies at about 1,800 meters subsea and is the deepest development horizon targeted. Third-party estimates put 230 BCF of recoverable gas in the Lower Pliocene 6 sand. The initial stages of the Dara East development are built around production from the Upper Pliocene 1A sand and the Lower Pliocene 6 sand. Directly below the Upper Pliocene 1A sand lie the Upper Pliocene 3, 4, and 6A sands. As production from the field matures, the Lower Pliocene 6 wells will be recompleted into these shallower 3 reservoirs to maintain field production rates. Third-party estimates indicate 316 BCF of gas in place in these 3 horizons combined. Outside of the primary Dara East producing area, significant upside potential is seen in a number of other features. Dara Northeast is immediately adjacent to Dara East and will in fact be tested by one of the Dara East development wells. As yet undrilled, Dara Northeast is estimated to have 780 BCF of gas in place. On the northwest flank of Dara East lie several horizons which exhibit a strong amplitude and AVO response, specifically at the UP8, UP9, and UP10 levels. The highlighted horizon here is the UP9. The UP8, 9, and 10 horizons will all be tested by one of the currently scheduled development wells. BPE estimates that the 3 horizons combined will have over 1 TCF of gas in place. Dara West is a large feature located approximately 35 kilometers to the west of Dara East. Also undrilled, Dara West is estimated to contain more than 4 TCF of gas in place, with potential for significant volumes of liquid hydrocarbons as well. Neither Dara Northeast nor Dara West are in the current base case development plan. The current Dara East field development plan calls for 6 wellhead platforms with 18 platform wells and 5 additional subsea wells. Gas will be sent to Singapore via export pipelines, where it would be sold in Singapore or swapped for LNG cargoes to Indonesia. Alternatively, gas could be exported to the north by way of a 260-kilometer-long pipeline to the Premier Tuna development for cross-border access into the Vietnam gas market. The development would be in several phases, with an anticipated total capex for the project of approximately $600 million. Phase 1 of the development will consist of 4 wellhead platforms, each with 3 wells, along with 4 subsea wells completed in the Upper Pliocene 1A sand. A floating production unit would be moored adjacent to the wellhead platform A in a central position in the field. The pipeline to export gas to Singapore will be built by a third-party operator, and the Dara gas will be charged a fee for its use. Phase 2 of the development plan will see 2 more wellhead platforms added, also with 3 wells each, and 1 more subsea standalone well. Phase 2 would follow 2 years after the completion of Phase 1. Phase 3 of the development starts when wells which were originally producing from the Lower Pliocene 6 sand are recompleted into the shallower Upper Pliocene 3, 4, and 6A sands. Dara East will produce 150 million cubic feet of export gas per day, with initial production scheduled for as early as 2022. The project will be a significant milestone in developing the gas resources in the East Natuna area and supplying gas to the Southeast Asia region.